Road renovation videos are everywhere right now, and they're getting crazy engagement. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create those viral road transformation clips using AI step by step. Let's jump in. Start by opening Pinterest and searching for road photos. Scroll through the results and save one image that looks realistic and clear. Next, open Google Gemini. Select the option to create an image, then upload the road photo you just downloaded. Now head to the document linked in the description. Copy the first prompt and paste it into Gemini. This prompt will turn the clean road into a damaged, broken version. Once the image is generated, save it. After that, upload this damaged road image back into Gemini. Copy the second prompt from the document and paste it in. This will generate the road in a mid-renovation stage. Save this image as well. Now open Flow AI and choose the frames to video option. Upload the damaged road image as the first frame and the mid-renovation image as the second frame. Go back to the document, copy the third prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. Your first renovation video clip is ready. Save it. For the final transformation, upload the mid-renovation image as the first frame and the original clean road image as the second frame. Copy the fourth prompt from the document, paste it, and generate the video. This creates the completed road transformation. Save this clip too. Finally, open your video editing software. Import both clips and place them in sequence. Add a slight zoom to hide any logos or watermarks. Use clean cuts, smooth transitions, and optional text to boost engagement. And that's it. Your road renovation video is complete and ready to post. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to AI Rush Minutes for more AI content, and let me know in the comments which AI niche you want to see next.